Why can't it just be easy? How hard is it? Hi there, welcome back. My name is Mark and today we're gonna continue working on the Ferrari, of course, like always. We're gonna install the bumper, finally. Like I said, we're gonna install the bumper. Now, last time before the car was painted, should call it right, me and my pal Mark, we created our own bumper mounts so they will fit. So you can fit the European style bumper from Euro Spares on the American version of the 308 GTSi. Fitted perfectly when we tested it, but the car now is painted. As we have seen, the complete service, that after the changes somehow things don't fit anymore. Hopefully this will go in without any problems and we get the grille in and the car will look fantastic afterwards. Well guys, I think about 25 videos ago or something, I spent a whole video fiberglassing the front bumper because it wasn't straight. Put fiberglass on it, and what I guess that happened is that the paint shop sanded it down until hope you can see it. This line is straight, but, and I'm very angry at this moment, is now the bumper isn't straight again. It's like all the fiberglass I put on is gone. So when I put the bumper on, it looks like damn. Why can't it just be easy? How hard is it? It's just a matter of, I prepared it like, and you just have to put it on, but now it doesn't fit anymore. Nobody tested it or something, what the hell? So what does that mean? The bumper needs another respray. No damage this time, not my fault, but I'm starting to dislike this car. Honestly, it should have been so easy. Well, now we got another video that's going on. Well, I did some more checking and it's not the only thing that's different right now. If I put this one on, you can see that there's a gap, and that makes the gap between the bumper even bigger. What happened, this used to have a little stretch of Bondo, how you call that, filler, and now it's all sanded down because they did a superb job, but they did their job too good. And I didn't test the bumper and I'm missing a lot of screws. And well, yeah, I cut them on a first big mistake. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the bumper on because I just can't leave it like this and stop, and then we're gonna have to talk to the painter about what he's going to do to fix this one, because I think It is the ugliest thing I have ever seen. And I'm so furious. I just want this thing done. Yeah, that's life. That's what all people say. You're flying high in April and shut down in May. Well, we put the bumper on. Not really tight, but it looks like shit. It really does. I've spent so many times straightening this thing out, and here you can see it. I can put my hand in it right now, and here I don't, and there I don't. Here's a picture or a little film, I don't know, but of what it looked like when the car wasn't painted and when we finished making the brackets for the bumper. But this looks like shit. It's really annoying and I really fed up with this. I tried, and even on this angle it looks like shit. It's really bad. I don't want it. I don't want it like this. This is not going to happen. Has to be changed. Then we have a better without bumper. And I can see while looking at it, I see that they sanded the bumper down to get it perfectly aligned, but they never checked how the bumper fitted on the car. That's what I think that happened. But we're gonna have to talk to the painter because that bumper has to be redone. It's not good. I feel really mad because I think that the bumper was perfect and it was on the car, so they should have checked it, I think. But you know what I'm gonna do? I think that I need a little break on this car. Although I love it, although I want the engine to go back in it. Maybe I should talk to Guus. Maybe get the engine in it, make it run, then bring it back so I can finish it before we get it on the road. Because I'm getting fed up with all the things that's going wrong, and I'm starting to get demotivated. So I think it's time to take a little break. And too bad because not too bad. Yeah, it is too bad, but I've got some other plans I can do meanwhile. For example, I've got here some monsters, how you call it, samples of some wrapping stuff that I would really love to learn how to wrap a car. So I thought, well, get me some samples and maybe the future daily driver. I prefer this color, by the way. Some sort of red. But well, I can't think of this one right now. I'm just so Sorry for the bad language. I hate swearing on YouTube. So I'm gonna peep it all away or something. Yeah. So, after the last video, I hope to make a video that was happy and cheerful and look at how great my car is, but it is not. It sucks. This is not what I wanted. And with that bombshell, I'm gonna say goodbye. And I think I'm gonna see you in a week, maybe 2 weeks. I know I don't know what yet, but I think I'm gonna take a little break, uh, and then we'll see what happens. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Goodbye.